Good evening everybody. Let us impart some knowledge on ecosystem. So here you can see two pretty collages made by me and my friend Shobhanik of Techno India Group Public School. So let us learn about ecosystem of water bodies and ecosystem of forest. Water is the habitat of plants and animals. It supports the biological activities and gives shelter to the organism. Water without salt contents is called as fresh water. Pools, rivers, lakes are fresh waters. Pool, ponds and lakes are standing water bodies and is called as lentic. Rivers, streams are running water bodies and are called as lentic. Now, lentic zone can be divided into three types: profundal zone, littoral zone and limnatic zone. First, littoral zone. Littoral zone is the place or the zone of water body where sunlight is abundant for the growth of plants and the survival of animals. Next is the limnatic zone. It is a zone where sunlight is only sufficient for the plant growth. Number 3, that is the profundal zone. This is a zone of water where there is complete darkness. There no plant can grow. Only mollusks like snail, etc. can survive. Plants growing in water are called hydrophytes. Some examples of hydrophytes are Typhia, Zizania, etc. Some examples of animals found in fresh water are amphibians, mollusks, turtle, birds, etc. Now let us come to the marine habitat. Aquatic habitats containing salts in their water are called as marine habitats. Some examples of marine habitats are sea, ocean, salt lake. The shallow shore region of a sea. It is a disturbed area and only fast swimmers, planktons and zooplanktons can visit this zone. This zone is neritic zone. The zone of sea that is away from the land is known as oceanic zone. The zone of sea that is at 2000 meter depth is known as bathyal zone. The depth below of 2000 meter is known as abyssal zone. Marine habitat is the most productive and rich part of the environment. Some examples of plants found in marine habitats are phytoplanktons. Some animals are, or you can say plants, you can say phytoplankton, seaweeds and brown and red algae. Now examples of animals found in marine habitats are oysters, fish, whale, turtle, crabs, oysters, etc. So now let's come to the forest ecosystem part. in this picture you can see it is a collage of forest ecosystem. Now, it is a community of complex mixture of different species of plants and organisms, and the flora and fauna and the physical environment where they interact. Now, all organisms interact with various kinds of plants and trees. Now, forest ecosystem is a very complicated one. It is complicated as because it includes innumerable types of microbes, birds, mammals, reptiles living in the association of plants and trees. All organisms interact with each other continuously. They also have to interact with the physical environment, example, climate, soil, water. So here in the picture you can see the layers of forest ecosystem. Now this is the picture of tropical rainforest ecosystem. The different types of ecosystems, forest ecosystems are tropical deciduous forest, thorn and scrub forest, and tidal forest. Now in this picture you can see grow on from all the levels of a forest to a closed canopy formed by tall trees to a thriving population of branches like vines, epiphytes and orchids. The lower level contains ferns and short trees. Now the different layers of forest are emergence layer. Here the leaf may have dipped to shade during rain. Now under the emergent layer there is main canopy layer. In this layer the trunks are very big, and to reach the sunlight it is tall also. Now under the main canopy layer there is under canopy layer. Here the lianas are woody vines that climb high to reach the sunlight. Under the under canopy layer there is shrub layer. Under the shrub layer there is ground level. In this ground level buttress roots support trees in shallow soil. Now let us discuss about the importance of forest. We give importance to forest as because it is a habitat of plants and animals. It is an agent for percolation and retention of water. It prevents soil erosion. It maintains air humidity. It is a source for many forest products, for example wood, fuel wood, aesthetic herbs. You can say minor forest produce. In minor forest produce there are something like this that for example Brahmi is a plant which we use as a medicine to cure the repair of lost memory. We eat it to repair our lost memory. For example tulsi, we use it and eat it for prepare for cough and cold. When we have cough and cold we have tulsi. Now it is also used importance of forest. We also say that it helps in maintaining the groundwater level. So these are only the importance of forest. Thank you. Meet you again in the next video. Bye.